Alright y'all, so today we're going to work on full body, fat burning, weight loss. This video is for beginners, so you don't really need any equipment. Just bring yourself and let's get started. Not kind of moving your hands down, your knees are moving up to meet your hands. Breathe. In through the nose. Out your mouth. One foot back, 1 foot forward. We're just gonna punch. You got it. And you can speed up the tempo here if you like, but go at your own pace. Don't forget to also draw your abdominals in as you punch. sure you're also drawing it in here as you go back. Stance. I'm gonna tap, then go to the center, tap, and then go to the center, tap, and then go to the center. We're just gonna keep that up. Holding it the whole time. So we're gonna do a regular squat, but when we come up, we're gonna bring our calves up. So we're gonna down for a squat, and then up, down, and then raise those calves. You got it. Give yourself a little moment. You can kind of start your hands on you. Position not full, but half, and then we're gonna punch. Big dynamic punches as you go. Don't forget to draw in your abs. All right. And if this is too hard, you can definitely lift up and just do our punches that way. Which lift, and then arms go up also. Push up, and then heel touches. And we're just gonna alternate that as we go. So for this one, we're gonna alternate. We're gonna do a squat and then arm up, squat and then arm up, squat and then arm up. And we're gonna keep that going. All right, let's work. We're gonna go the side and then up, side and then up. We're gonna keep that going. Don't forget that as you do it, draw in those abs so they can really get that work.